Tips for juicing ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are commonly juiced in small amounts as part of a recipe and typically pose no issues. But if you want to juice ginger and turmeric in larger amounts or on their own, you may run into issues with clogging. 1. Ginger. Ginger and turmeric are fibrous ingredients, with ginger being more fibrous than turmeric. A buildup of their long, stringy fibers can cause clogging. The key is to chop ginger in the opposite direction of its fibers to break them up. We recommend cutting ginger into small chunks, about 1 to 2 inches. Juicing chopped ginger is quicker, more efficient, and puts less strain on your juicer's motor. While juicing ginger, you may notice that juice produces quickly, and little pulp exits the spout. This is normal. Ginger is high in water content and light in weight, so there's not much pressure pushing ginger pulp through the juicer. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is smaller and less fibrous than ginger, so it doesn't need to be chopped. But it needs to be juiced with lemon, so your juicer doesn't become heavily stained from the curcumin in turmeric. You should have no issues juicing whole turmeric, but in case you do, you can chop it using the same method as ginger. As you saw, we juiced both ginger and turmeric with their peels intact. You don't need to peel them because their peels are thin and don't cause clogging. If you'd rather peel your ginger, using a spoon is a great option as it can reach into the crevices and remove the skin without wasting the inner flesh. Turmeric is a bit easier to peel, so it can be peeled normally with a peeler. Just be mindful of turmeric staining your hands. If you're juicing a lot of ginger and turmeric with other ingredients, layer them at the bottom of the hopper and place hard ingredients on top. The hard ingredients will help push the fibers, leading to smooth and easy juicing. 3. Cleaning. After juicing any ingredient or recipe, you may notice some residue left in the strainer and screw. This is normal because there is no pressure from other ingredients to push the final pieces out of the juicer. We recommend cleaning your juicer right away and soaking the parts in water, dish soap, and baking soda to remove the stains. Rub some of the paste that forms on the stains and let them sit for a few hours or overnight. For the screw, you can apply a little bit of vegetable oil to a paper towel and rub it onto the stained parts. We hope our tips worked and that you have a smoother juicing experience with ginger and turmeric. Thanks for watching.